Hello class, this is chapter 6 assignment question number 9. So the question says a salesman normally makes a sale on 80% of his presentations. And assuming the presentations are independent, we need to find the following probabilities. The first one, let's look at part A, the probability that he fails to close for the first time on his 5th attempt. So after reading this question, we need to know this is about Bernoulli trials. And if we read the first question, it said he fails to close for the first time. Okay, so keyword is first. Okay, and this we know this is about geometric distribution because we talk about that. So this is Bernoulli trial, and also we see the keyword first. So that's going to be geometric distribution. Then we can use the StatCrunch to do the calculation. Let's open the StatCrunch. Okay. And let's go to Stat, Calculators, and Geometric, and let's choose the number of trials. Okay, we got the interface, but what is the P? P is the probability of success, but what is success in this question? Okay. So success is the event that we are interested in, or the outcome we are interested in. So if we read the part A question, so we are interested in seeing he fails to close a deal. Okay, so success in this case is, so let me put the quotation there, because it doesn't have to be a real life success. So because the success is the event or outcome that we are interested in, he fails to close a presentation. Let's put it this way. Then let's find the P. So P is the probability of success. What's the probability that person fails to close the deal? And if we go back to the question, it says he can close the deal on 80% of his presentations. In other words, the other 20% he cannot close or he fails to close. So that's going to be 1 minus 80%. So that's going to be 0.2. Okay? So P is 0.2. Okay? Then what is the probability that we want to calculate? He fails to close for the first time on his 5th attempt. So the number of trials is 5. So we need to, that means he has to try 5 times to see the first success. So this is a probably we want to calculate. So let's go back to the StatCrunch. So the P is 0.2, and the probability of he has to try 5 times to see the first success is equal to 0.081819. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, what about the part B? So the probably that he closes his first presentation and on his 4th attempt. So part B. Then what is success in this question? So the success is the event we are interested in. So here in part B, we are interested in seeing he closes a deal. So he closes a presentation. Okay. Then the probability is 0.8. So 80% chance he will make a deal. Okay. So the probability we want to calculate is how many number of trials? 4 trials. Okay. So let's go back to the StatCrunch. So that's going to be 0.8. That's going to be 4. Okay. So 4. So that's 0.0064. And part C question. Part C was the probability that his first presentation he closes will be on his 2nd attempt. So we can do the same. We can follow the part B. So that's going to be the P is equal to 0.8, and the probability we want to calculate is X is equal to 2. Okay, totally 2 attempts. So we don't do the calculation for this question. You can do this by yourself. Let's do the part D. What's the probability that his first presentation he closes will be on one of his first 3 attempts. Okay. Still, the probability of success is equal to 0.8 because we are interested in seeing he closes a deal. And then the probability we want to calculate is that so the number of attempts is between 1 and 3. Okay, so we need to translate this English into mathematical form. Then let's go to stack. Okay, so let's go to this, click this between. So P is still 0.8, but the 2 boundaries are 1 and 3. Okay. So the probability is 0.992.